back here or something. Ha! People are looking at you.
They're not on. They're gonna float away.
No, the tide's coming in, so they'll go.
The tide? It's the lake.
Here. It's a lake.
You.
You.
Come on, Obi. I'm putting my shoes.
He's got to rescue his shoes before they drift off.
Swim across the ocean.
No, that one's kind of going that way.
Very, very slowly.
Yeah, but who knows how long this will take. I
Yeah.
wonder if my new sandals float. My old ones didn't.
We're like,
Test them out.
No,
gotta take
then it'll be cold.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, probably.
What?
No, it's because of boat.
Okay, go back out there.
Just go. Man up.
Are your nipples hard?
Getting them.
Check down.
No, I was just asking him for confirmation.
You have to check with your tongue, though.
No, that's quite all right.
What? I didn't do that.
Yeah, she did. Sit in the nuts.
You
Yeah, so you
did
gotta dip them. Get them over with.
Obi's gonna fall in.
You know what you need to do, Obi? Is just fall over. Lie. Just fall over. Just fall down, completely submerge yourself. What? That's completely submerge yourself. I'll throw rocks.
You guys are wimps.
Hey, you've never had to submerge balls in cold water before. You have no idea what you're talking about.
That is not pleasant.
That's the worst thing ever.
We have other things that you haven't experienced.
Like what?
But do
What's
they-
bad?
Do they have living creatures living inside being like, no!
Going, oh my God, we're dying! It's like a massacre.